truly Atmanirbhar Bharat is emerging, is what I personally felt after witnessing the award ceremony today. We have with us the founder, the organizer, the Karta Harta of today's event, Vyapar Jagat Convention and Awards 2020 with us today. I invite Dr. Praveen Parmar for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Funny Ben. Thank you so much. So, good evening, everyone. I believe the gratitude is one of the highest emotions that a human can ever experience, and I want to share this emotion with you. For years, I had nurtured a dream to someday to be, bring together Star Wars from different parts of the nation and celebrate their efforts to raise standards of entrepreneurship in India. And here we are. Now, first of all, I would like to congratulate all the award winners. Many congratulations to all the winners. I extend a heartily thank you to our jury for lending credibility to the Vyapar Jagat Convention and Awards. A big thank you to the speakers who shared their expert opinions and knowledge to our audience and to all the participants. I am grateful to our exhibitors for their efforts in making this event a grand success. I would also like to thank our anchors, Funny Ben, Dr. Sasikant, Unmesh Bhai, and Kangsha Vasauda. I would like to thank our sponsors of this particular event, the entire convention and awards, carjasus.com and obesity doctor.in. Also, I would like to supporting associations, including all the Chamber of Commerce, our event supporting partners, our social media and PR team, our outreach media partners, and a few other names where we have the entire recording in the studio. So our studio space provider, online broadcast team, the entire videography team, all technical service providers, the entire staff of support members, all the influencers, the digital influencers and marketing and business development team, our radio partner, and the in-house Vyapar Jagat team that work very hard, and especially if suppose I say a few names, so Mr. Parth Pathak, Mr. Devang Patel, Vishal Parmar, Bina Dunani, Purvi Pandya, Sandeep Tekwani, Lalji Kanjaria, Mukesh Jambukia, Mr. Akshay Pathak, Mr. Jigish Gajjar, and Mr. Pratik Gambhir. And we were having a few coordinators, those who have went out of the way and supported the entire event: Mr. Bandish Patel, Pinky Patel, Mr. Yash Suthar, Mr. Deep Patel, Mr. Rohan Shah, Dharmesh Chawda, Mr. Bhavya Maniar, Jaideep Parekh, and Neha Ved. And there are so many kind of my mentors, advisors, and I must say that those are the people, those who are behind the scene to support this particular team, and those supporting members: CA Rajan Ahuja, Alap Thakkar, Sapna Kedia, Ankit Chotia, Shah Nawaz Sumrani, Dr. Vaidehi Shah, Vaishali Ben Vaishnav, Mr. Swapan Dholakia, Mr. Jitendra Tanna, Sri Bhavesh Kothari, Daksh Bomania, Devisha Jatakia, and my dear friend Krinal Mehta. And I would also like to thank the entire BNI Ahmedabad and BNI Vinci members. Finally, I extend a big thank you to our participants for joining us in making India's largest digitally hosted award ceremony a sweeping victory. Thank you, everyone. I found Vyapar Jagat with one objective: to empower entrepreneurs and celebrate their success stories. We recognize entrepreneurs. We want to say that let the whole world know about you and your journey. And we are working on a mission, on vision, where we want to impact life of 1 million entrepreneurs through storytelling, through publishing business journeys. And the Vyapar Jagat convention and award ceremony is a gigantic leap in that direction. I'm truly grateful to see experts of the field of entrepreneurship unite and share their knowledge and innovations with us today. I would like to end this event with a promise next year to celebrate visionary and success stories. Thank you, everyone, once again for your time and support. Now, I request all the participants to please stand up for national anthem. Sorry.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everyone, for joining. And now, with this, we are ending this particular event.